Hello, my friends. Do you know present simple is the important key to speaking English? So follow me to know.
How to use present simple. The present simple is used to talk about habits and routine and facts. Habits and routines means something that you usually do, and fact means true information.
The examples about habits and routines. For example, he watches TV every night. He watches TV every night. She plays soccer every day. She plays soccer every day. They have dinner at 7 p.m. They have dinner at 7 p.m. The examples about fact. Everest is a name of mount. It's a fact. Everest is a name of mount. Apple is a fruit. Apple is a fruit. Lion and leopard are wild. Lion and leopard are wild. So, let's see the structure.
Structure: subject plus the simple form of the verb. I want to speak about my routine. I get up at 7 a.m. Then I make my bed. I make my bed. I brush my teeth at 7:30. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. Next, I get dressed. I get dressed. I catch the bus to school. I catch the bus to school. I drive to work. I drive to work.
Now, let's learn how to speak about our family or our friends' habits. For example, he plays soccer at 9 p.m. He plays soccer at 9 p.m. He watches TV at 6 p.m. He watches TV at 6 p.m. My brother goes to cinema at 9 p.m. My brother goes to cinema at 9 p.m. My mother brushes her hair every morning. My mother brushes her hair every morning.
When you want to speak about the time of your habits, you can use these words at the end of your sentences. For example, every weekend, every morning, every night, every Monday, every Sunday, or each day.
For example, my friends, or you can say they. My friends, they go to swimming pool every Friday. Go to swimming pool every Friday. I exercise, we exercise every week. We exercise every week. Now let's make negative our sentences.
For making negative our sentences, we should use don't and doesn't. Positive sentence: I go to bed. Negative: I don't go to bed. You play soccer. You don't play soccer. He or she has breakfast. He or she doesn't have breakfast. They go shopping. They don't go shopping. We play basketball. We don't play basketball.
Don't forget it, it's an important point. For she and he, we add s at the end of the verb. For example, we say she gets, he plays, she watches. But when we want to make negative them, we write doesn't plus verb without any s or es. Don't forget it. For example, she doesn't play. He doesn't watch. She doesn't get. For have and has. For positive sentence, we say she has. He has. But when we want to make negative them, we say she or he doesn't have. Doesn't have. We totally change the form of verb. And one more important point: don't equals do not. Doesn't equals does not.
Now let's make question. I brush my hair. Do you brush your hair? They go to cinema. Do they go to cinema? We catch the bus to school. Do you catch the bus to school? She has a shower. Does she have a shower? My brother plays tennis. Does he play tennis?
Again, there is a point for making questions about a third person. For example, we have she gets up. He plays soccer. For making question, the structure is does plus subject plus the verb without any s or es. Be careful. She gets up. Does she get up? He plays soccer. Does he play soccer? My mother goes to work. Does my mother go to work? My brother goes to cinema. Does my brother go to cinema? And at the end, I want to tell you some points about to be verbs.
To be verbs: am, is, are. Subjects: I am, she is, he is, it is, you are, they are, we are. Then negative forms: I am not, I'm not, she is not, she isn't, he is not, he isn't, it is not, it isn't, you are not, you aren't, they are not, they aren't, we are not, we aren't.
Now, let's make questions. The sentence is I am a teacher. I am a teacher. The questions: are you a teacher? Are you a teacher? Be careful. We never don't make questions about ourselves. For example, we don't say am I a teacher? Am I a tailor? So you should just change the subject. Are you the teacher? Are you a tailor? Yes, I am a teacher. I am a tailor. Or she is happy. Is she happy? He is busy. Is he busy? They are firefighters. Are they firefighters? We are sad. Are you sad? We are sad. Are you sad?
When you want to make question, you should just transfer to be verb to the first of the sentence. But be careful about the sentences that their subjects are I and we. In these sentences, you must change the subject. The sentence is I am a tailor. The subject is I. You must change the subject in the question sentence. You must say, are you a tailor? Are you a tailor? Or for the sentence that its subject is we. For example, we are from the UK. We are from the UK. The question sentence is are you from the UK? Are you from the UK?
At the end of the video, please tell me about your routine, your day in the comment. And if you like this video, please subscribe me and share this video to your friend and like it. By the way, Do you know how to introduce yourself in English? So if you want to know it, you can watch this video. Goodbye.